Hi, I'm Sir Gerald and I'm here to discuss or teach you how to use a natural sounding text-to-speech app. So from here on out, I will let the text-to-speech app introduce or speak for itself.
Hi. Vlog takeover. It is me, the text-to-speech app that Sir Gerald is talking about. So let's start by opening your browser and go to the IBM Watson website which I bookmarked. The link of the website is in the description. So here is the IBM Watson text-to-speech website, which is free to use and sounds like a real human speaking, unlike any other web-based apps that is Android-like or has robotic voice. On the website, scroll down and you will find a drop-down menu of many voices. Be sure to choose of American English V3 voices because V3 voices are the updated versions of the app. Let us now try this web-based app. On the text box, type some texts, then once you are done, click on the speak button below. Wait for it to load. And note that you have to include commas and periods for the text-to-speech app to pause for a while. The process of converting text to speech will also depend on your internet speed. Hi, it's me. That's me speaking. Hi everyone. Let's try another. You can always try other voices to find out which will suit you best. For me, Mitchell.3 is my favorite. Hi, it's me, Gerald. See, it can even say my name. Finally, if you are now happy with the sound, it's time to download. Click the three dots beside the volume symbol and the Save As folder will appear. Then rename the file and make sure to add a file extension name, which is at the end of the file name. Add .mp3. Then hit save. Once the download is successful, try to open it to be sure. Hi, it's me, Gerald. There you go, it worked. The text-to-speech service understands text and natural language to generate synthesized audio output, complete with appropriate cadence and intonation. It is available in 27 voices. I will definitely use this, so I won't have any problem speaking on my PowerPoint presentations. I hope this video is a big help. If you have any questions, comment it down.